Meaning of global.
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 Global. The term global is used to refer to something that has an impact or reach that extends beyond national or regional boundaries, encompassing the entire world. Global issues are those that affect all nations and peoples, such as climate change, pandemics, and economic instability. The concept of globalization is based on the idea of a connected, interdependent world where people, goods, and information flow freely across borders. However, it also raises concerns about inequality, exploitation, and loss of cultural diversity. In short, global describes a phenomenon that transcends geographical and political boundaries and affects the entire planet.